Hello and welcome guys. A quick follow up on my earlier video. We just had a live session with Padmanabhan sir, a 1 hour live session which is the recorded version of which is available on my Instagram channel. Instagram link is NIKKHIL6256. You can go over there and check out the IGTV video for the entire 1 hour interview with Papan sir. So he has answered to most of our questions which were pending. So I'll give you a quick update, a quick follow-up on all the pending questions, all the pending points. So starting with a break during the examination, guys, you were asking that nature's call or loo break would be permissible or not. This point is definitely being considered by the institute, and yes, some special measures will be taken up by the institute, especially for girls and students with special needs. So they might need some kind of break in between. So yes, this point is being considered, although no specific decision has been made as of now, but it is being considered. Secondly, what will be the breakup of descriptive and objective questions? Guys, there was a little bit of miscommunication in my earlier video. So the breakup of descriptive and objective will not be on the basis of earlier examinations, that is offline examination. This breakup will be on the basis of MTP which have been released. The MTPs which you have done, the breakup will be approximately equal to that breakup, which is like more like 85 to 15. 85% were MCQs and 15 were the descriptive type questions. For law it is a little different, but for the subjects it is 85 is to 15. So that ratio will continue in the examination also, which means MCQ will definitely command a higher weightage and descriptive type questions will take a back seat and they will have a lesser relevance in the examination. More so very important for all of you, because typing might not be your genre, typing might not be that comfortable to you. So yes, you will not face any problem with respect to typing. Descriptive type questions will be really less. Coming on to these 4 questions now, while switching on to the next question, whether the time will be noted or not. So Padmanabhan sir was not clear on this particular technical aspect. He was saying that we need to check with the technical team, but he has told us that rest assured that this transition will not take a lot of time, because the servers which we have hired now are heavy duty servers and all the technical requirements are really nice. So this transition will not take much of time. Cyber Cafe, now this option, although Padmanabhan sir asked us to sort to this option as the last resort, this is not a very good option. But yes, for students who do not have any facility around their area, in their premises, laptop facility, internet facility, then definitely they can opt for this particular option, Cyber Cafe. You can approach a nearby Cyber Cafe, tell them that I need a cubicle, I need a place where no one comes, there's no sound, there is no one who's moving around, and I want to give paper, so 3 hours I want fixed. He will of course charge some amount which you have to pay, but yes, that can be an option. But guys, keep it as the last option. Try and have some infrastructure around you. Try to manage a laptop or internet from your maybe neighbors or friends or something like that. But yes, this option, sir said that it might be a good option considering students who don't have any infrastructure. Then strategy, his strategy was keep calm, stay cool, and give it your best shot. Guys, there's no point in panicking, there's no point in confusing your mind a lot. Just be calm, go with the flow and give your examination to the best possible extent. Yes, of course, work hard. So this is his strategy for giving the examination efficiently. Then change for email and mobile. Guys, within this week we will get an intimation, which means all of you will get an intimation, some notification from the institute. They will open up some link on the portal and you will be able to update your email and mobile phone over there, because sir has recognized that many students have not written their own mobile number, they have written mobile number of their coaching institute who helped them in registering with the institute. So for those students, mobile and email ID will be updated in the institute's records. Option will be given to all of you within this week. Hindi medium students, so the question was raised for English medium students. English medium students should also be given an opportunity to write down the subjective type questions, scan it and submit it rather than typing it, because typing might be a point of disparity between two students. Some student might be good in typing, some might not be good in typing. So yes, point very well taken. And as I've told you, for Hindi students also, this is a proposal, it is not confirmed as yet. Sir has said that yes, if this proposal goes through, then it will go through for both Hindi and English language. There will be no disparity between the language. So yes, this will be a good option to eliminate any kind of mismatch between two people's typing speed. And the next question is review after completion. Is it possible for the unanswered questions, and is it possible for the answered question, whether both of the options are possible? The answer is yes. Review is definitely possible. You can change your answers. You can change your answers which you've chosen before, and if you have not chosen any answer before, then you can actually attempt that question before submitting your paper finally to the online system. So just take care that whatever unanswered question is there, you just submit it. Before submitting it, you have to review it. If you want to review it, please review it, and you can easily change your answer if your question has also already been answered. So yes, very sportingly, sir has come up with answers. Guys, of course, there might be some things which might change in future. Notifications will come for all of them, but there are some things which might change in future. There might be some proposals which will not get through because of technical or whatever reasons. But yes, sir has been kind enough to at least share the mind of the institute with us, so that we are amply clear about how institute is thinking about these examination. This gives me at least a lot of confidence about the upcoming online examination, and of course it will be equally relieving for you as well. On that positive note, I'll be coming up with more such videos where I'll be clarifying certain things. And yes, I'll be coming up with MCQs, and from wherever source I'll find some objective type questions, I'll be preparing for you. I'll be coming up with videos. I will be collaborating with various teachers, just like I did for CMA Foundation. I'm just looking for collaboration with teachers for MCQ sessions on this channel. So stay tuned. Till that time, just study from the subjective type material which you have. Just get your preparations well on time. And yes, one more thing. I've communicated to sir, obviously on your request. I've got so many messages that can we consider postponement of the attempt by say a week or 10 days or something, and he has graciously agreed it that as of now there's no such proposal, but he will definitely forward this proposal to the council, and he will definitely come up with something positive in near future. So yes, a positive indication from his side also. So let's see what will happen. As of now, we need to study. We will study. We are studying, and we will definitely get through this. Yes, together we can, and we will. All the very best, and happy studying.